Hello everybody, thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for following me, those who follow me, and if this is the first time you are watching this video, or you are tuning into this channel for the very first time, can I say a big thank you for watching my videos, and could I please ask you that please can you hit the like button, and could I ask you to subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot in making these videos, and yeah, so that when I've got something new that I've uploaded, you may not miss it. You will get the notification. Please hit the notification bell as well. Right. I would like to start by apologizing that I have not done any video recordings for a few weeks now. I think it's almost a month now that I have not done any recordings. And the reason was that I was still trying to work on my videos, on my pond, not on my videos, on my pond. Finishing off, doing the final touches to the pond. I have done 12 videos on the upgrade of my pond from when I started in March to now. I think I've done 12 videos. If you go onto my channel, you will see the other videos. I've got 12 of them there. In my last video, the part 12, I did show when we were transferring the fish from the holding pond to the main pond. Unfortunately, since we did that, I've had to drain my pond again because I had an issue with the bottom drain. My pond was leaking. So unfortunately, I had to drain the pond. At the time, I was not very sure where the leak was coming from, and I thought it was the liner that was leaking. And I did get in touch with the company that I bought the liner. I must say they were very good. They asked me a few questions, not too many, and they did send me a replacement. They did ask me to do a few things, to test my pipes, to check my pipes and see whether the leak was coming from the pipes, which I did, and there was nothing. So they then said to me, fine, we will send you a replacement, and they did send me a replacement. So I had to change my pond liner. When I got the new pond liner, I didn't take the old pond liner out of the pond completely. I left it as it is. I just put the new liner on top of the old one that I had in the pond, the first one that I had. You will remember that my pond liner, you could use it on both sides. It's brown on one color and black on the other side. And when I did the first one, I put it on the brown side. But when I got the new liner, I decided to change that, and I put it on the black side. I will show you in a minute what it looks like. Yeah, and yeah, so I've had to fill in my pond again. It's been almost 4 weeks now since I refilled my pond, put back my fish, and all seems to be okay now. I've sorted out the problem with my bottom drain. I put in a new bottom drain because I couldn't take out the old one because I had glued it to the pipe. So I had to cut the pipe and then bought another bottom drain and fitted it in, which worked out okay. So just to show you now, because this is my this is my final video on not the bottom drain, on the pond upgrade. So this is the 13th video I'm doing on the pond, but this will be my final video on this. The videos that will follow after this will be things that I will be showing you on how the pond is getting on, not on the actual upgrade of the pond, because now I'm satisfied the pond is done. So let me show you now what my pond finally looks like. And there we are. That's my final pond. You can see my bog filter at the back there. I have put a spillway. Let me see if I can zoom in so that you can see my DIY spillway that I've put. So what happens is I've got a bottom drain somewhere there, and the water goes through the bottom drain, and at the back there you can see that white thing there. That is my DIY filter. If you've seen my other videos, you will see I did talk about that. That is my old fridge that I've turned into a filter. I've put filter media in there. So the water goes through the pond, through the bottom drain, and comes out on this side at the bottom, fills out the first chamber, and goes to the next chamber where I've got more filter media there. And then I've also got in there a pump that pumps the water from there to my UV light, which is at the back of the bog filter. So the water goes through the UV light and comes back on top into the bog filter, to the bottom of the bog filter, and then the water comes up the gravel and the rocks and the gravel, and then comes through those white pipes, as you can see, that comes to my the spillway, my DIY spillway, and the water returns back to the pond. I'm sure you can see how clear my water is. If I try to zoom in there, you can see how clear my water is. So my pond is looking great. The water is crystal clear. It's been like this for weeks now. You can see my fish there. Yeah, the fish are enjoying themselves. Like I said in the other video, we counted the fish that we have in here. We've got about 80 fish. Right? So you can see them there. Enjoying themselves. I'm just refilling, I'm just topping up the water there because I was cleaning the filter, so I lost some water as I was cleaning the filters, so I'm just topping up the water. So you can see my end product of my pond. You can see where it ends, and I've put some wood on top. If I zoom out again, all the way this side, and I've got some plants here that I've put in. I got these plants from Zambia. I wanted to try and see if I can, these are I think what they call the elephant ears, see whether they would grow if I put them in water. So far they seem to be doing okay. And I've got my chili plants. You can see my chili plants. This is Scotch bonnets, right? And I've got some more here. This is Moringa scorpion, and I've got some more of the chilies there. I just thought I can put them here just to make the thing look nice. I'm sure you can see it looks quite nice. So yeah, so that's my pond done. Oh, by the way, I've got some I don't know if you can see it there. I'm also growing some mint. That's mint there. I want to see, it seems it is doing okay, it's growing quite well. I just bought some from the supermarket and I came and put it in there, and it didn't take long before it shoot roots. So yeah, it seems to be doing quite well. My chilies are happy, my fish are happy. So yeah, we've come a very long way with this pond. It is finally done. All is going okay. My water, like I said, has been clear since introducing the fish. So all is working okay. The filter is working okay. The UV light is working okay. Everything seems to be fine. And I would just like to thank God for this success, if I may put it that way. It was not easy to get to this point. There were times when I felt discouraged, particularly when I discovered that there was a lot of concrete underneath the ground. But I persevered, and yeah, here we are today. My pond is complete, fish is happy, and yeah, we will carry on and to see how this get on. I'll be giving you updates on it every now and then if I'm doing anything. I've even put a cover on top. This is just to give some shade over the pond because we get a lot of sunlight. The sun comes this way in the afternoon, and I just thought to help not to get my water to turn green, best is to put a cover. I bought this on AliExpress. It was only for about £6-7 all the way from China. I've got a gazebo as well on here, but the gazebo is not over the pond, but this mesh thing that's what is over the pond, and it seems it's doing a great job. So my water hasn't turned green at all since I filled the pond 4 weeks ago, and yeah, you can see right to the bottom of the pond. Not an issue at all. So this is my final video, like I said, on the pond upgrade, and I just like to say a big thank you to everybody who has followed me in this journey. Thank you very much, guys. Without you, it would have been very difficult to do this project. People encouraged me, people from church who were watching my videos, and they were very encouraged by what I was doing. So yeah, you guys kept pushing me. Please, I'll pray for God's blessings upon your lives, all of you. Thank you very much. You'll see what my next video will be. So I just thought I'd give you this final chapter of this pond, of this pond. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Until my next video, it's shalom.